Thank you, Mr. Chairman. To provide some context, obviously security is probably rightfully so at the top of the pyramid as we discuss the court and its budget. How's business? I mean, anybody know where you are? Anybody filing this, that? And you've kind of touched on it a little bit in response to Mr. Hoyer's questions, but to have an idea of how things are running in the machine of, well, we got 9 justices, and here's who comes to us, and here's what we're doing, here's what we're turning down, here's what we're accepting, just to have kind of a background context to this discussion about security. So however you want to address that,
Sure.
How's business going?
Yeah, well, business as usual, or maybe not as usual. So we do everything we can to be transparent and to welcome the public into the court. We've really taken strides in adapting our website to make it more user-friendly. So people can come to our website. They can easily access all the briefs, all the opinions. The website also has information about who the 9 justices are, the history of the building, that sort of thing. Our courtroom is open to the public. We routinely have public courtroom lectures to groups that are coming in. I believe all of my colleagues, I know I do, speak to groups and school groups that come through to educate them about the court. Our curator has exhibits throughout the first floor of the court to educate people about the court, including a wonderful exhibit that's up about Cooper versus Aaron. We have the Cooper bench from the famous case that's out in the court right now, complete with a video explanation of it in which all 9 of us participated. So I do see a need for educating the public about what it is the court is doing. And so the court, I think, has done its best to try to make that accessible to the public.
Great, thank you. How about caseload? What's the case? I know threats are way up. How's caseload?
Well, we have, as Ranking Member Hoyer suggested, we have a more than ordinary emergency caseload. I would say we have about an ordinary regular docket. If you look back really a number of decades, our docket has gone down. When I clerked at the court, so that was, I'm afraid to say how long ago, but in the late 1980s, the court handled about 140 cases a year. The court now handles, in terms of regular argued cases, maybe 70 cases a year, so a significant decrease. There's a cottage industry and explanations for why that decrease took place over time. But for all the time that I've been on the court, we've been relatively stable. So the last 15 years or so, we're doing about, maybe 1 year at 75, 1 year at 60, but something on that order. So we continue to hear cases every month and to always decide, always issue all our opinions before July 4th every year.
Thank you. I yield back, Mr. Chairman.
Support journalism you trust. Support PBS News. Donate now, or even better, start a monthly contribution today.